think depression is like, I was in this seminar 3 days back. Like I literally came yesterday, and I don't know if you know Sneh Desai. He runs Change Your Life workshop. Great, you should look into it. But over there, when he was teaching about how life is, what life is, how you should live your life, um, I know that you're also a life coach. So depression, believe it or not, there was a girl who got up and she was like, "I want to get connected to my father." But her father who didn't want to connect with her, and he did not even live with her. Now what happens here is that कि वो कितना ट्राई कर रही थी, वो कॉन्शियसली उसके माइंड में इतना था कि मैं डिप्रेस हो गई हूँ, मैंने सुसाइड कमिट कर लिया, उसमें मैं बच गई, बोले उसमें भी मेरे फादर ने आके मुझे सपोर्ट नहीं किया. सो डिप्रेशन ऐसा हो गया है कि आजकल डिप्रेशन इज अ न्यू कूल,
Yeah.
right? How do you ensure that your kid doesn't get into that? Or just so as see, we of course you're a parental coach. So when some kid is also looking at this podcast, learning this podcast, how can they ensure that they don't get into that kind of zone of depression?
So depression is very, very prominent in India, first of all, and kids are not away from it. More than 37% of teenagers today in India documented have mentioned that we have been depressed at some point in our life. This is
Wow.
as of today. So
Arre
it's
baap re.
quite a huge number and it's just on the rise. The main reason is that kids don't feel connected.
Like connected किसके साथ? Parents के साथ?
Yeah.
के you talk about के friend circle का प्रिय परिचय के साथ?
No, they feel alone.
They feel alone.
They just feel alone in general. And social media is worsening it क्योंकि आप उस पे देखते हो कि अरे ये इतना अच्छा कर रहा है. Even small successes are highlighted on social
हाँ.
media as पता नहीं क्या, right?
हाँ.
So anyways, you start to lose belief in yourself. So the one remedy for this for parents is that make sure that you are always connected to your child. कि आपके बच्चे को हमेशा ऐसे लगे कि my parents treat me like the apple of their eye. कि मतलब उनकी नजरों में मैं मतलब सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट हूँ. ठीक है, हो सकता है मेरा बिहेवियर उनको ठीक नहीं लगे, इसीलिए वो डांट रहे हैं, बट मैं एज अ पर्सन दे लव मी द मोस्ट. एंड कई बार पेरेंट्स को ना मतलब दे फील कि अरे बच्चे को तो पता ही होना चाहिए कि आई लव देम एंड दिस दैट, बट द चाइल्ड डजंट नो. The child needs that constant reaffirmation that I am very good. My behavior may not be good. So अगर आप अपने बच्चे को डांट भी रहे हो, so disassociate the behavior from the child. मतलब आप बोलो कि ये behavior एकदम सही नहीं है, या ये जो तुमने किया वो सही नहीं है, but that doesn't mean कि तुम as a person खराब हो. So I think that's the first thing.
Okay.
Second thing is the child needs to work on emotional development. Depression is a sign कि emotions उसके out of balance.
Okay.
He is not able to handle emotions, right? So depression is when I'm in a low state, anxiety is when I'm in a high state. But मैं वापस न्यूट्रल पे नहीं आ पा रहा हूँ, मतलब मैं लो में चला गया तो मैं लो में ही हूँ, पूरी दुनिया मुझे खराब ही नजर आ रही है, राइट? एंग्जाइटी में हाई में हूँ, मैं नीचे आ ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ. सो दैट मीन्स कि इमोशनल बैलेंस नहीं है.
Okay.
Which again schools are not taking care of.
I don't think schools as of right now वो level पे है भी कि वो ये सब handle कर पाए. I think a lot of the teachers are themselves are depressed. So because I've personally came across one, that's why I know. So like मुझे ऐसा हो गया कि अच्छा आप अगर depressed हो और आप बच्चे को पढ़ाने जा रहे हो, so that's the most क्या बोलते हैं कि सबसे खतरनाक चीज है वो, like क्योंकि आप वो आपका feelings ही आप share कर रहे हो ना.